I forgot to talk about one note. So again, these have some of the same tech in how the main plate is part of the jeweling and bushing, right? You've got jewels in here and nothing there. You got your jewels and everything, but it's all metal. So again, you might get more expansion contraction based on temperature. Versus this one, stained with battery acid. God, this could have been so bad. I'm amazed that lived through that leak. You can see the jewels here. And this does have a higher jewel count, in part because you're using plastic and they have to make sure that it's in there. But also, nice thing about jewels, of course, is they're not going to be as prone to any kind of variations in tolerances due to heat. Their metal is going to be much more prone to that. So, again, that's how I believe, how they're dealing with temperature compensation. So let's look at this. Now we're going to say jeweling. Advantage 7C. Okay. Trains. So again, really lightly built, overlinking, meshing piles of springs. Everything's great until it isn't. This thing is bolted together. It's the Volvo of quartz watches. Unkillable for the most part. I did kill actually my 240 DL wagon, but it took real work and time and a lot of neglect from before my ownership. It did finally die, though it ran great right up to the end. The problem is that the body was so rusty, the front arms started falling out of the car. But, I mean, the engine was great. Okay, you got 2 screws on there. This one has 3, but remember, we took one off because it was holding the back plate on, and, as well as the friction spring. Okay, so we have a screw. And I know some people are going to be like, I can't believe you're just taking those apart and you're going to remember where everything goes, you know? You take these apart enough, you remember. Believe me. You know, in the army, they you have to be able to take apart your rifle blindfolded and put it back together, blindfolded, all that crap, you know. Do it in the dark. I don't know that I could do that with a watch movement now, but, you know, if it was one of these, I might be able to. I don't know that I could guarantee that it would run particularly well when I was done, but I think I could do it. I don't know. It'd be kind of a wacky challenge. Okay, so there's the train bridge for this one. Plated brass. 3 inset jewels. The difference between this and like the 7549 is there's an additional jewel in there, 4 to 5. And this one, you see, it's already got the 4 jewels in here. Plus, this is the bushing for that lower post on the minute wheel that I was blabbering about. Wherever in the heck I put the thing. Screw it. I'm not going to worry about it right now. But same finishing, same technique. Oh, we don't need you. What are you doing? Would you get out of there? Stop it. You're not supposed to be stuck. There we go. Yep. Nice big jewels and everything. So you can see the wheels are actually real comparable in size and everything. I mean, they use the same architecture. I mean, they don't exchange, but boy, they look just about the same. Here is the difference, one big difference though. You just saw me pull that 4th wheel. Here's the hacking lever, and that's what interacts with the 4th wheel to stop it. So it stops it right there. Kapoink, you pull the crown, This lever thing goes clunk and it stops it. This is the stop lever here. It's this sort of impact plastic stuff. And I haven't really run into problems with these. They seem to be quite durable. Okay, I will pick that up in a moment. But you can see just how lightly built these stamped parts are. Everything's great right until it's not. Okay, so there's fourth wheel. And they're essentially identical. Third wheel. Third wheel. Come back here. I want to look at you. Yeah. Same strength and quality of build. Yeah. Same quality. Here's your stepper motor. It's the one for the 754X is a lot bigger. I don't really know what that would mean. It would have more torque, certainly, and so this is definitely a much torqueier movement. And this does the job. I think that there's no real difference in those. Okay, so let's move this. We're going to say train. Advantage, none. So it's going to be a null. Okay, no advantage. Oh, though I am, wait a second. Train gears, but I'm going to say null for gears, but for the hacking, actually, I'm going to give an advantage to 754X. It's a stronger system.